So, and then I make this private. Okay, cool. So, brother, I on the website, I want to redo or like quickly because it's not hard, but what we can do is because we have those different stages of foundational development of awakening, right?
Mhm.
And by having that implemented, uh it will give us sorry, the website's loading. Uh, so if we go to the courses on the website,
Mhm.
really what we just need to do is we need to just make an adjustment here for things that are around this. So this process. So really what we're doing is we're building this process or just showing through the courses the foundations of the awakening. Okay? So basically, the first one is the revival. Um, I mean, it's the course of the revival, so it's really energy and vitality. So here, this first, I'm gonna just move this for a second so that I don't have to keep going back and forth. So here, on this core, so here, you know how I have compassionate leadership? I was gonna do that a long time ago, but I'm just gonna focus on conscious leadership, right? So the first one that we want to do is the accelerator, which I put into the thing. We can do alignment. So the first one would be the conscious revival, the art of energy and vitality. The second one is alignment and essence. The third one could be conscious leadership, discovering business nirvana, right? So it's really what it is. It's these two programs put together.
And the other one will be just those three.
Yeah. And then this one here becomes uh just conscious build a movement and creative mastery. And then this one here is conscious integration. So this becomes the unstoppable part where people can book a call with me in private one-on-one. And this will change because I really want people to focus on full deep work, you know? Like this is the deep work component, you know, where I help visionary CEOs, business owners, and leaders really tap into their five dimensions of capital, their spiritual capital, intellectual capital, social capital, and intellectual capital, or human capital, so that they can actually build all the financial capital around them. Because most people are focused on money. I want to focus on the spirit. I want to focus on what's most important. Because that's really what the revival is, right? This is why we're building the revival, the retreat, because that's where I really want to help people, right? That's the most important. Makes sense?
Yes. I was just thinking about the changes. So the conscious revival retreat will be right now for other people. Other people be and acknowledge the conscious revival will be inside of the courses. The courses, and the first one will be this the conscious revival.
No, so the first one, this is the revival, but in the courses, I apologize, I confused you. So the revival here, we just not need to make that a big R, but this courses component here, this one will
Mhm.
be energy and vitality.
Okay, well, it is just like more just changing the names
Yeah,
rather
but I
than.
want to make sure that we can turn them into courses. So we're gonna go deeper into them so that I we can actually make sure that we're bringing this value to people. So like, look, when they go take this course, like we have a full funnel built. Everything is done, right? Like I want them to be able to access it, to implement, and then implement the backend so that people can have access to it right away. Because we can start capturing emails and adding value, and then developing an email sequence to get people into the next case. Right? So they get the emails. I don't know where the emails or if it works. Then the alignment course login, making sure that it all comes. I just want to make sure that we attach um, one course. So like this course will eventually become will bridge people to this course. This course will bridge to this course. This course will bridge to it's a growth way. Do you know what I'm saying? So
Mhm.
people will want to learn, but they'll learn by continuing on by keeping going. And then if they want, they can then work with me at the end directly.
I have a question. Can you click again into the compassionate leadership or the other alignment course?
This one, the alignment.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see what is if it is the same. Um. Okay. Yes, we can. Why this web page is important? Because why don't you just go into start the funnel?
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, like I don't think this is important. I think that this is what we that's why like it would be valuable if we can make for each of them because even for this conscious leadership, you could take it to that other funnel that we have, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is just like I was feeling that the page that is in the before the funnel, it is like a one step that is just more friction, and the friction that it doesn't have to be there.
Exactly. I love it. And I think there's one more accelerator because what will happen is one of these will turn into the incubator as well that we could use with Paul.
Mhm.
Because one will lead into the next one, you know what I mean? And if it keeps going like this, it becomes simple. So I really think that you're right. Like we can take the conscious leader. The thing is that we just wanted to be in the same we wanted to be in the same order.
Mhm.
So so the first one will be uh conscious creator, how to become a conscious creator. The second one will be how to become a conscious leader, how to become a conscious entrepreneur, how to consciously integrate. Do you know what I mean?
Mhm. That's the first time. Courses. Tum, 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 tum. Conscious creator, conscious leader, conscious entrepreneur. Mm, the last one, I'm still thinking about the last one. If we're going to merge conscious cash flow accelerator and business nirvana as just one course,
Yes.
uh, what will be the? the conscious integrator, the last one, or the last one will be with you, the one on
The
one.
last one is working with me directly,
Okay.
one on one.
So okay, three and just what I'm saying just let me check what this happens if I click these two. Uh, yeah, this is business nirvana 2, conscious accelerator. You can make click or let me show you.
Because even in the like, so what I did, I even dropped a video because I was just teaching the conscious the accelerator
Mhm.
the Kanda. So I have a video that I put into the Lighthouse group. Uh, I'm just gonna tag you so that you
Because
can
I'm
see the link.
logging in. Let me log out. I'm seeing the program but because I was logging in. Interesting.
And so we would need to adjust a lot of that copy to make it different, but because it's old, and it I don't think it works because we didn't do anything. Um,
Start from here.
this is also the old version. I don't know why it's here.
Probably no one may upload the new version. The new version I am supposing that will be like or in click funnels or in the Amplify.
Yes, so it would be great if we figure out a way to um clean up this because if we build a really great sequence through all of them, what are you think?
Mm.
What do you think?
Yeah, no, we need to clean a little bit of this one as you were telling me. For example, I suppose that these are the like testimonials without being testimonials.
Yeah.
Um, it doesn't tell me like something portfolios. I can see the what did you do with them or how I can I don't know. I feel like I have a lot of space using for this one, and we can put
We can
at
get rid
least the
of it.
people.
We can get rid of
We
that
can
stuff.
get rid of it or put in some testimonials, like real testimonials. Even the screenshots or something could be more interesting. Because we're going to unify these two. Doing it in the front end, it is easier. Like I just change the name and I put the one of the links. Um, Probably the more difficult part, difficult in quotes, is will be just the in the program by itself, like merging them. That's
Yeah.
like the difficult work. At this moment, what will be the conscious cash flow accelerator, like the discourse or the Nirvana one, like to be into that place?
So really it's gonna be
We have. Let me just put the question. If I do click here, it should be going to uh, this, why not this page, other form, to this page or to this one.
yeah, that one. That's why it's wrong because the business nirvana should be actually is gonna be the business incubator that we're doing with Paul.
Okay.
So
Now
the business nirvana is gonna be the business incubator with Paul.
okay. For business incubator with Paul, it will be the same. Like again, not the text, but the big call. Or there was before knowing that business will be the incubator, I was feeling like just get rid of this one and have the three and the favorite is the big one, like incubator with Paul and Eric. You wanted to, or if it is just the same other program, we can have again the same four and with you one on one.
Yeah, so the business incubator is with Paul, and then if people want to work afterwards with me, then they can work afterwards with me directly.
Okay. What the
It's
the
create it will be creative mastery, not marketing mastery. And then
okay.
it will be um I
Like for
help I help business owners. That's the one.
yeah, and that's in Zoom. Yep. Just make a little.
Okay, I have to go, brother, but I'm going to what's it called? Send you a message after I'm done if you have time to talk more.
Okay.
Because I have a
Um,
sales call right now.
yeah.
Wish me
You
luck.
have fun. Have fun. Have fun, and I wish you luck with that one.
Okay, love
Yeah.
you, brother. Talk
You
soon.
better.